Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy Friday sa inyo and advance Happy New Year! So, nagbabalik si Liluna Taro. So, sa mga nakapanood ng aking recent upload, maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment, okay, na resonated sa kanila. Okay, meron pang nagsasabi na 101% resonated, super resonated. So maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panonood ng pick a card reading ni Luna and kahit sa mga general love reading natin. Okay, so ngayong araw, meron tayong general love reading again. Pero this is a no contact situation, okay? So para to sa mga no communication, kahit isang communication dun sa person nila. Okay, so kamustahin natin ano ba yung mapipick up nating energy. Okay, so pwedeng it can be kahit matagal na kayong no connection itong person. So ito is para sa inyo, okay, sa aking mga general viewers. So no contact situation, general love reading tayo ngayong umaga. Okay, so wag na natin patagalin, simulan na natin, okay? Grab nyo na yung inyong coffee kasi right now ay nagkakapi ako. Okay. So, tingnan na natin. General love reading, no contact situation ng ating mga lovely viewers. Okay. Guys, yung pag-upload ko is, alternate ko na lang na general, tapos pick a card, and then individual zodiac sign. Okay. Marami pa po kayong aabangan kay Luna, okay, sa channel ni Luna, and please do subscribe. Help nyo ako ma-reach ang aking first 2,000 subscriber bago mag-end ang year 2023. Okay? So, start na natin. No contact. Alamin natin ano ba yung situation, ano ba yung energy na mas-pick up natin para sa aking mga lovely viewers na walang sawang sumusuporta kay Luna. Angel, Spirit Guide, Divine, please give me card for no contact situation. Okay. Okay, marami-rami na to. We have indulgement, persuasion, temptation, okay, it can be alliance, trust, honest, compatibility, self-love, okay, death, uy, third wheel, so si third wheel card is nandirito. Cursed, and introvert. Okay. So, kuha pa tayo ng isa pang card. One more card, please. Thank you. Care. Okay. Maybe the first one, number 52, is the indulgement, temptation. Okay. Okay. So, meron ako nakuha right now. General love reading, no contact situation is someone here is na-temp. Okay. It can be the feminine or the masculine here is the one who is na-temp. Okay. Pwedeng na-temp to sa ibang babae. Okay. Meron ako nakuha dito na it can be the there is a scenario na si girl is merong best friend or meron siyang kaibigan, then merong mag-partner, okay, siguro meron silang close friend or a mutual friend na feminine din, and then this kaibigan is naging third party nung masculine, okay, so meron ditong betrayal na nangyari. Okay, meron ditong na-break yung trust. Yes. Merong pamilyang nasira. Okay. Merong marriage, okay, na nag-separate or relationship na nag-end dahil sa temptation to a third party. Okay. Maybe, nalaman ng babae yung secret nung guy, and siguro nung kaibigan niyang babae or vice versa ha, guys, nalaman niya and napagtanto nung babae, nung feminine here, na someone cannot be trusted, okay? Even her friend or a close friend, a best friend, okay? A mutual friend, okay? Nasira yung trust, okay? Nawala yung pagiging honest nung guy kasi na-tempt nga sa it can be babae. Okay, and someone is hating right now the other person. It can be the one who is hurt, okay? Or it can be the other woman or the third party is nagseselos or talagang hate niya yung wife or yung feminine kaya inagaw niya doon sa asawa. Okay, guys, sana nag-resonate sa inyo, nakakasunod kayo doon sa nakukuha kong situation and energy, okay? Maybe the third party is ginayuman niya. It can be ginayuman niya yung guy or meron siyang ginawang mga voodoo something doon sa guy para makuha niya doon sa wife. Okay, meron akong nakuhang ganon. Yes. This third person or this third party, which is a feminine also, it can be a masculine, vice versa, guys, is hating on this wife. Kaya nga inagaw niya yung asawa. Okay, meron akong nakukuhang ganon. This third party is talagang pinuntirya yung husband nung mga feminine natin dito. Maybe the husband here is a very caring and a very loving husband and a father doon sa anak nila. Okay? It can be. And maybe yung third party dito is naiinggit doon sa pagsasama, yung way or pagsasama nung mag-asawa na nasira dito ng third party. Naiinggit siya kasi they are perfect couple, okay? Itong relationship na nasira na nakikita ko ngayon dito ha. Kaya pinuntirya yun nung third party or third person, which is siguro, pwedeng it can be a witch or pwedeng talagang nagpapagawa siya ng spell, okay, or ng something para makuha niya yung lalaki or makuha niya yung guy. And then, siguro, nangyari na nakuha niya yung guy. Okay? Na-indulge nga yung guy kasi nga, may ginawa sa kanyang something. Kaya siya naagaw doon sa wife or sa feminine natin dito. Okay? Yes. So, naghiwalay na, meron ng separation, meron ng death, may end na. Okay? Sa between the husband and the wife kasi nga dahil sa third party may nasirang trust, okay? Ngayon, si wife, okay, meron akong nakukuha is doing self-love right now. Okay? The wife here is in a self-healing journey right now and enjoying being independent, okay? And po pwedeng this wife is nagpakalayo-layo. It can be this wife is nagpakalayo-layo, doing self-love, okay? Maybe this wife also is an introvert kind of a person. It can be, okay? So, si wife is nasa self-healing journey right now. Okay? Yun nga, so may death na nga na nangyari, may ending na sa relationship ng husband and wife or couple na nandirito, na energy na napipick up ko. Okay, may family na nasira. Okay. Yes. Mhm. Alam niyo guys, kung energy nyo tong napipick up ko is very, very not good, okay? This is a very bad situation yung napipick up ko sa no contact situation natin ngayon na reading. Kasi alam mo, meron ako nakuha, the third party here is a very persuasive kind of a person. Talagang inakit niya yung guy dito. Oo. Talagang inakit niya yung guy. Kung sino man yung masculine sa relationship, inakit niya talaga, pinuntirin niya, gumawa siya ng paraan, even doing some magic or tricks, okay? Spell to get the guy. Okay? Bottom of the deck is marriage. Okay, so it can be, you are married nga with this guy, okay? Couple yung nandito, married, okay? Talagang kinasal, okay? Mag-asawa. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Sa ating tarot card, na-shuffle ko na to guys kanina. Kaya hindi ko na siya isa-shuffle. Oh, 'di ba? Someone is walk away. To the Eight of Cups. Someone is lumayo, nagpakalayo-layo to have a self-healing journey. Kasi Eight of Cups is like Cups is a emotion, okay? Emotional fulfillment, okay? So, it can be, yun nga, sabi ko nga, nagpakalayo-layo ka, it can be iniwanan mo yung husband mo nga, okay? Your marriage, yung family mo. O pwedeng yung lalaki yung lumayo. It can be vice versa, guys. Oy. O, the Magician. Gemini in a water sign. It can be, meron ako nakikita na manifesting, okay. It can be the husband Kung halimbawang separated na yung babae, yung third party, and then yung husband mo, okay. Pero still, hiwalay pa rin kayo nitong guy, okay, nitong ex-husband mo. It can be this guy, okay, manifesting na magkabalikan kayo. Okay, it can be. Or it's just you is manifesting to have a new life, okay, a new love, okay, a new connection. It can be. Or dun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalis at hindi pa nakakalayo, okay, hindi pa nakakalayo-layo dun sa situation na ito nga, yung nababasa ko is you wants to go far, okay? Gusto mong lumayo na doon sa husband mo, it can be, and doon sa babae, doon sa situation. Yes. The World card. The World signifies, it can be a travel also, okay? Or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is nagpunta ng ibang bansa. It can be nag-abroad na lang, nagpakalayo-layo. yung iba sa inyo. It can be naisip mo na para totally makapag self-heal ka, you are manifesting to go talaga sa ibang bansa. Okay. To go somewhere na malayo. Doon sa kung nasasaan ka ngayon. Kuha pa tayo, okay? The Tower. Oh my gosh. Someone has an awakening, okay, na this is the end na talaga. Okay. Meron ako nakikita na someone is nagising na sa katotohanan. Okay. It can be the guy here is the one who has a tower moment. Okay. Kasi nga, nagising na siya eh. Nagising na siya sa katotohanan. Maybe the guy knows that you are going somewhere malayo and wala na kayong chance na magkausap pa if nangyari to. Okay. And maybe nangyari na nga ito. And yung sa iba, kung hindi pa nangyayari to, siguro nalaman ninyo ngayon. The Emperor, Aries. Oh, meron ako nakita dito na someone's father. Okay. Or someone's father nalaman yung totoo. Okay. Siguro, meron ako nakuha sa inyo na umuwi ka muna siguro sa magulang mo. Kung sino man yung lumayo dito, it can be the feminine or the masculine. Take what's resonate. And siguro, hindi alam ng magulang mo bakit bigla kayong umuwi ng mga bata or bakit bigla kang umuwi. And siguro, nalaman na ngayon ng parents mo kung ano yung nangyari. Yung iba sa inyo yun yung iba sa inyo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito Or nalaman ng someone na eldest, okay, eldest sa family ninyo. It can be nga your father or your kuya, okay. Vice versa to guys Kung hindi man yung lalaki yung nagloko, it can be the girl, okay? Yung nagloko sa connection, okay? And na-indulge sa third party. Take what's resonate na lang. Kasi vice versa naman ng energy. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone is juggling. Okay. Someone is juggling over siguro sa'yo or dun nga sa third party. It can be someone is juggling between you and the other person. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Tingnan natin kung magbabago ba yung card. So, how's my viewers? Tingnan natin, guys, Sana nasusundan nyo yung ano ha, yung reading natin. Tingnan pa natin dito, isa pang card. Tapos, punta na tayo sa situation. How's my viewers no contact situation right now? Kanina tumatalon yung card. Ngayon, ayun. Uy. Oh my gosh. Oh, someone, maybe, someone is in jail right now. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo is pinakulong tong person na to, yung husband mo. Kung nag-cheat man ito sa'yo, nahuli mo, okay? O pwedeng ipinakulong mo to. Tingnan pa natin. Oh. Indulgence again. Oh my God! Maybe the masculine here. Po pwedeng yung iba sa inyo ha, yung masculine dito na nagloko, nag-cheat, okay, na nalaman ng legal wife, okay, po pwedeng kinasuhan niya siguro yung guy, pinakulong niya, it can be ha. It can be, or naging homeless, pinalayas niya, pinaalis niya, okay. And the feminine here, meron akong nakikita na living her life right now. Na siguro na separated doon sa mister niya. Oops. Oy. Loneliness. O, lumabas na naman ulit yung endorsement. And yung alliance. Oops. Thank you. Oy. Ay, meron ako nakikita dito na ano ha. Meron dito na mahilig tumulong ha. Mahilig mag-gift. Magbigay sa mga nangangailangan ha. Meron akong nakita dito. Maybe yung iba sa inyo is merong nakilala na bagong person. Okay. Patayin lang natin yung isang kadila kasi umaano na. Meron akong nakita dito na merong nakilala na bagong person. Okay. A friend. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo siguro nagkaroon na ng ibang pamilya, okay, naka-move on, okay. And then siguro nakatagpo ng someone na talagang can be trusted, okay. And maybe this person na natagpuan mo right now is the gift, okay, na ibinigay sa'yo ng divine, okay. Kaya siguro, parehas kayo ngayon siguro naging humanitarian, okay. And siguro itong guy na nakilala mo, or even though hindi naman guy or lalaki nakilala mo, naging partner mo agad. It can be a friend, okay. Na siguro tinulungan ka nitong friend mo, inilapit ka siguro sa Diyos, inilapit ka sa divine, inilapit ka sa spirituality, nakita ko. This friend or this someone is a trustworthy kind of a person. Okay. A very good kind of a person and has a morality. Okay. Yes. And this someone, or it can be a friend or a new lover of yours, is compatible ka dito sa person na to. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng love advice para sa inyo. Okay. I have a blue Lenormand card here. So, meron tong some advice or some riddles, okay, para malaman natin ano ba yung mga kailangan mong malaman right now sa ating mga viewers, okay, na nakaranas nung situation kanina. Nung contact situation. Okay. Your person or the one who betrayed you from the past is feeling lonely right now. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng card for you. Sa akin mga viewers, please give me 3 cards. Advice card for my viewers. Ano ba yung mga kailangan nilang malaman? Guys ha, hinaan nyo yung volume niyo. Baka malakas ang feedback sa inyo nung sounds. Oops, okay. 2 cards. Lady. This charming woman with flowers in hand, as with the gentleman her cards will command. The fortunes revealed once the cards have been placed, unveil the fire that destiny trace. Ooh, lady number 29, okay. Okay, siguro some of you ha, natuto ka na siguro. Okay, natuto ka na, alam mo yon, you play your cards right, okay. Or po pwedeng, alam mo yon, natuto ka na siguro sa partnership, okay. You played your cards na ng tama, okay. Ano ko nakikita dito na ano, a high moral kind of a woman, a very finesse and a very elegant kind of a woman. Okay, so meron ako nakikita dito na elegante na babae na alam mo kung ano yung worth mo. Siguro yun yung natutunan mo at isa sa mga lessons mo na nakuha sa self-love healing journey mo is yung alamin ko ano yung worth mo as a person. You're a high grade kind of a woman. Okay. So, Cavalier. Heed well good news from the Cavalier. Impassioned views promise good cheer. Sadness that hides veiled in the day, once disguise soon flies away. Oh, Cavalier and a lady. Oh, sabi ko nga, yung iba sa inyo, maybe meron nang nakilala na someone, it can be a friend muna, okay, na po pwedeng nagpapasaya na sa'yo ngayon, okay, nagiging inspiration mo na. This is a good news, okay. You have the same views with this guy, okay. or this person. Oo. And maybe this guy help you to remove the sadness na naramdaman mo or naranasan mo. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the stars. Shining star bright in the sky, bodes joy from afar where happiness lies. In starlight, dreams come true. Hope is in sight, success is in view. Oh, 'di ba? So you have a success right now in it can be in your love section, okay? Some of you is an Aquarius, okay? It can be someone is looking on you or eyeing on you, and maybe this person compared you has a star kasi nga 'di ba ang star naman is sobrang ganda niya sa kalangitan pero mahirap abutin or imposibleng maabot, okay? So, sabi dito, success, okay, is in view. Okay, though sa tingin niyo siguro right now is parang imposible or far pa. Okay, malayo pa yung happiness. Okay, malayo pa yung na maabot nyo yung dreams ninyo, okay, yung gusto ninyong mangyari. No. Though feeling ninyo is in view, pero nakikita nyo na siya. Okay, nakikita. There is a hope, okay, in success. Okay. You need to, you need to reach it, okay? To pursue it, okay? Or it can be you are bright like a star. Okay. Tingin sa'yo ng iba. You are the happiness of someone right now. It can be, meron akong nakuhang ganon. You are the happiness of someone right now. It can be a person, a new guy, or a friend, okay? Or vice versa. So, tingnan natin sa love messages mo. Ano ba yung love message na dapat mong ma-receive? Okay, so kuha tayo ng 3 cards again. Three cards for my viewer. Uy, tumunod na agad. Different paths. You are not on the same page with the person you have in mind. The directions you want to move into are different. Maybe maybe this past person or the one who betray you or the one who indulge on a third situation or third party na iniisip mo ngayon, wag mo nang masyadong isipin yun kasi you have a different paths, okay? You have a different purpose with this person. So, it can be, you are not meant to be, kaya siguro nangyari yon. Okay? Minsan kasi may pinapadaan lang si Divine, si Lord, okay? Sa buhay natin para ma-awaken tayo, matuto tayo, okay? Soulmate. Yes, this person is your soulmate. Your connection is sacred. O, diba? It can be the new person right now you are dealing with or you have a connection with, the one who supports you, okay? The one who is compatible with you is your soulmate, okay? This person na nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon or nagpapasaya ka dito sa person na to, this is your soulmate, okay? It can be a friend, okay? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na partner agad. Be present. You will attract love by enjoying your life as it is wherever you are. Be all there, okay? So, kalimutan mo na yung sa past mo na nangyari kasi this is your present now. Okay, so yun yung nakita ko. na be in the moment, be in the present, okay? Kasi soulmate mo yung person mo ngayon. The one na nangyari sa'yo before, okay? Yung person na yon is, hindi mo soulmate yon. Siguro pinadaan lang yon sa buhay mo para matuto ka, para mag-evolve ka, okay? Para ma-reach mo yung success na kailangan mong ma-reach. Kasi maybe this person, yung past person na nag-betray sa'yo, po pwedeng talagang ano lang talagang yun lang yung purpose niya sa life mo. Yung matuto ka. Kung wala kayong kung wala kayong anak, kung wala kayong, alam mo yun, wala kayong bata na involved, walang bata na involved. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin, ano pa ba yung pwede natin makuha na card. So, kuha lang tayo ng love card. Okay. Love card. Kuha tayo ng isa. So, ano yung messages na kailangan marinig ng ating mga lovely viewers right now para sa no contact general love reading nila? Oops, thank you. Oh, healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Okay. Pakiramdam ko naman yung mga person na na-betray before or nagawan or napunta sa third party or third wheel. Okay. Is a good person naman. So, meron akong nakita na good person naman kung sino yung mga viewers natin ngayon, okay? They not holding grudges to someone, okay? Kahit pasabihin natin ex-husband niya to, okay? Hindi naman nagtatanim ng sama ng loob. And siguro maybe yung person from the past still important sa inyo. So, ang sabi daw dito, imagine na lang na yung pagpapatawad, parehas na kayong na-heal dun sa situation, okay? Na makapag-move forward siya, makita na rin niya kung ano yung magiging happiness niya sa bagong buhay niya, okay? Kung halimbawa nasa new connection ka man ngayon, wish someone na maging masaya na rin, okay? Na na-healed na yung nangyari sa inyo before, okay? So, para makapag-move forward na kayo, maging totally masaya na kayo. Kasi this is your present, so face it, okay? New cycle na yung may lumabas kasi kanina sa tarot card, is, a new cycle na. Okay. So, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating general love reading, a no contact situation, and kung nag-resonate man sa inyo to, please do subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, leave a comment, show some love kay Leluna. Okay? Like this video. Okay? And help me reach my first 2,000 subscriber bago mag-end ang 2023. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Sa support ninyo, nakakataba po ng puso yung mga nababasa kong messages and natutuwa na nag-resonate sa kanila yung reading. Huwag kayong mag-alala, nababasa ko po yung mga ibang nagre-request, okay, ng topic, ng ano yung next na gusto nilang reading, nababasa ko po yun and inila-line up ko po yun. Kaya maghintay lang po kayo kasi malay nyo isa na yon sa gawin nating reading, okay? So maraming salamat sa inyo, hindi ko na pahahabain ang aking mga sinasabi. Abangan nyo pa po yung mga susunod kong upload. Okay. So, paalam na sa inyo. Good morning. Have a good Friday sa inyong lahat. Advance Happy New Year. Bye!